Accounting is all about keeping track of money, how much you earn, spend, and save. It helps individuals, businesses, and organizations make smart financial decisions. Imagine you have a piggy bank where you keep your money. You earn some money by doing chores or receiving gifts, and you spend some on toys or
Accounting
snacks. Helps you keep track of how much you've earned and how much you've spent, so that you can save for bigger things, like a new bicycle.
When you buy something at the store, like a toy or a book,
You are making an exchange. Money for goods. The store keeps records of what they sell and how much money they earn from each sale. This is a simple example of accounting in action. If you plan to go on a vacation, you'll save money in a special place. You keep track of how much you save each week and how much you still need.
Let's say you open a lemonade stand.
You need to know how much it costs to make each glass of lemonade and how much money you make by selling it. You keep track of your costs and your profits to know if your business is doing well. Accounting helps us organize money and make decisions.